They're easy to transport, and no worry, they all snug together, but they're all safe. Enjoy. Hi, thanks for joining. Today we're making double chocolate parfaits. In this easy recipe, you'll be needing double chocolate pasticcini, whipping cream, whiskey cream, vanilla, cream cheese, and we'll have the full recipe at the end. Okay, so we're gonna start by whipping your cream. Now we're going to cream the cream cheese. I'm going to add a tablespoon of sugar and a teaspoon of vanilla. There you go. I'm going to mix that together. Just makes it nice and creamier. Cream cheese is ready. There we go. Now we're going to incorporate whipping cream. You're going to fold it in. You can put as much or as little whipping cream as you like. It all depends. If you want a real heavy cream cheese presence in your parfait, most definitely, then you could add less whipping cream. But if you want a little bit lighter and fluffier, then you could add more whipping cream. So it's always, I always say, follow your heart and your taste buds. There we go. I think our cream cheese is ready. So we're going to fill our piping bag. And you're going to make a small cut, remove the tip, and then insert your decorative tip. And what you can do is actually fold over your piping bag over your hand. This way it keeps your outer bag clean. So you're going to fill your piping bag and use your hand to get all the cream out of the spatula. There we go. How nice and clean it is. So you're going to start putting a dollop of whipping cream, or cream I should say, on the bottom of your cup. There we go. Now we're going to dip our cookies into your coffee and cream and place them on top of your mixture cream. You could soak them just in and out, but if you want to have them a bit more moist, more softer, you just keep them there for about 5 seconds or less, whatever you prefer. This is the same way you would make tiramisu, so use the same method as you would. I always like soaking my cookies a little longer because I love the coffee taste and flavor of the cream as well. So you know, there's no rule. You could dip them as long as you like, as little as you like. I always more is always a good thing. I like to throw some in. And I left the buttercream on the cookies because it just adds a little bit more. Now you're going to top off with some more cream. It's super easy. Make them a couple days in advance, especially when you have a dinner party. It's so hard to get everything done in one day. There we go. It's really simple to make. You almost have all the ingredients at home. You can whip it up in about 20 minutes. And these could also be made into mini cups, which I love doing if you're going to have a dessert table and you're going to have more than a couple desserts. That's always nice to have, a bite of everything. So once you're done, you're going to get the chopped or crushed cookies and just top them over top. That would look beautiful. There we go. Perfect. Okay, so what I like to do is get a really nice fancy plate or trifle, and I like to place all my parfaits right there. Gorgeous. There you go. Enjoy. So another thing I like to do is pour some of your espresso over top just to finish it off. You can use any liqueur of your choice to add extra flavor. This makes such a beautiful, delicious dessert for any occasion. Now that your parfaits are all ready, you can put them on a tray, a takeout tray that you can find anywhere at your grocery store or any party supply. I like to place mine right on to the tray and make such a beautiful display. There we go. And then you cover it. And no worry, they all snug together, but they're all safe. Enjoy. So join me for some quick, simple dishes using tools in your kitchen. So if you have a passion for cooking or just starting out, stay with me for 10 minutes and we can definitely get inspired.